Okay, so let's try to do this one take. We have a lot to cover today, and I have a Chaplin dinner tonight. But we're not covering that. We cover behind the Chaplin. So I have a checklist ready for myself. I'm gonna go to Officeworks to print the new Chaplin menu designs. I'll put it somewhere here. Think of what funky names I'm gonna give. And I have a impromptu grocery list for the things that I forgot to buy yesterday, which I meant to buy. But yep, that's the day. I'll take you to the next. Going for lunch? Okay, so grocery shopping's done. I bought myself a fuck ton of unpeeled garlic, so there will be a ton left for sure. The exotic food request for savory starter. I'm gonna make some pickle, and I'm making a dessert right now for tonight's Chaplin. I want to serve it chilled with some cardamom, some cashew nuts. So let's see how that turns out, and I'm gonna brew some tea because it's very hot weather, and I was thinking I could serve some cold iced tea with Chaplin dinner. And I've got some mint to make some chutney or whatever. So let's get started. It's the onions, pickled onions. So I normally don't go by portions, but this one's like, why not? Oops, it's cool. Half a cup of vinegar. So guess what now? Equal portions of water. I've already salted the onions to remove the acidity, so it pickles better. I've read it somewhere. And a tablespoon of sugar. And what I like to do is add a bit of rice vinegar, which is like similar taste that works well. And for a twist, I'm gonna add some cloves as well to get that very peppery, or white and pepper but clovey taste. Not too many. So we get we add the rice for the dessert. So it's just the rice. There. Peeled a lot of garlic. Let's add some garlic to our pickled onions. Let's say we add 3. Make it. There we go. 1 slices, I guess. Don't worry, I'll add some background music. There you go. What I'll do now is let's do a turnaround shot. Ooh, 3 minutes already. So that's the that's for pickled onions. That's the dessert. And that is the tea getting brewed, the hot tea. That's what's getting pickled. And this is all the garlic that I peeled. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. Basically, it's this. Just get the pot ready. Okay, and we fill it up with the mixture whenever it's ready. And it should turn pink in about 1 hour to 2 hours. And we pour it. we just let it sit for 30 minutes, and once it's cool, we put it in the fridge. You can use it for 3 weeks. That, my friends, is pickled onions. Here is ready to be put in the fridge. The menu reveal. Now, retake. I'm gonna call this apple slaw. Monkey. It's gonna be a funny twist with this one. Apple's a pineapple crust dish, slaw is cabbage, and milky is a Indian dessert with a little bit of a twist. Ka-chow. This is me trying animations using my friend's iPad, and basically I cooked entree, main, and dessert. Apples, slaw, and another animation attempt. Ka-chow.